gentlemen. So I'm ready to install the top beam. Okay. Just to mention to you, today we're Wednesday. I think we'll be 12 or 13. Yes, thank you very much for the positive comments about all my series of videos I did lately. It's always nice, and it's nice to bring along with that project. It's bringing me a lot of memories when we used to do that with my father, and it was great to have Joe helping me for the setup for the mounting bracket for the ground. So stay along, and thank you very much again. For the first bracket, it was a little bit too close, the mounting, so I used my general purpose pipe wrench tool. So I open it there, and I go open a little bit more the other, so I have a play. Great tool to have for various reasons. Some guy are keeping that in their car for a persuading tool, but I don't. I keep something else. Before we go up there, I forgot to mention the support beam is 12 feet long, and it's not. I didn't shim it yet, so that's what I'm doing right now. The shimming and installing it very well. Okay. All right. So, for the here it's for the water drip, so the water doesn't come around. It will drip right there. That's why I cut it with a chainsaw before I forgot. So I'm pretty much done on this. For this, there's some tweaking, of course, when all the load's gonna be on it. I'm gonna maybe doing some more shimming, but so far that's it. It's straight and level, and that's what's important right now. So let's go in my garage, setting up, or in front of my garage to build a wall there. One thing I forgot to mention is the so that's gonna be the length of the bottom post. So it's again it's gonna be 10 feet long, and it's gonna raise. Honestly, in the camera view, it's gonna raise, and then the top one will be exactly the same. It's 12 feet. Okay, so it's a really strong support, and I'm gonna put my biggest beam because that thing will support a lot of load. Basically, all the wall and also the roof, and during the winter the snow. So all right, that's it. Cheers.